Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'll be using the Bperfect Cosmetics Carnival III palette to create a Valentine's Day look. I'm going to be concentrating on the purples in this palette. Everything that I use for the eyes will be listed in the description box below, so let's get started. For my wing, I use the Inglot eyeliner gel in number 83, and the lashes are the Pixie minis from House of Lashes. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.